Now we are discuss about new new government was coming. So, what is the primary goal of new government? So, I think this new government fully focus on our economic status because our economic status was very below. Now, like petrol rate and vegetables or some ordinary food rate for very costly. So it is very affected for our poor people and middle class people. So our government main focus on economic status. This government was connected our economic status. Then we are every people got a good status. So I think this new government focus about economic status.
Good morning friends, I am Sridhar here. I need to share something about my views about the new government's expectations. As for my expectations from our Indian government is, now elections over. We are well know that the past 10 years Congress party will take care of our Indian government. Now BJP will take care of government under the leadership of Modi. Okay, for my expectation is, first of all, before you go to economic stage, anything we are goes there. First, our expectation is all are having certain incomes. The government provide income to each and every person. Who are pay, who are voting. We need to satisfy at least some income for family. Means when family will get income means then the state will income. The state will income means that country will income. Likewise, our country will be booming to an next level. So the government will offer you any job opportunity to who are having any eligibility criteria. Depend upon the eligibility criteria. In case some homes are there, they are selling 10th route only. Based on that person also, our government providing any job vacancies means that should be helpful for our state and then our country to go into a next level. We are all well known that our Tamil Nadu government is going into a boom level. Then we are all well known that our Indian government also now going into rising level. Okay, as for our census, we are told that next 20 years later, our government will come into a third position in this world. America is comes at down of our India only. So now economic state is growing stage only. But basically we are sourced like that. But census wise, we are developing stage only. But my point of view is, this government is providing job assurance to all who are all having capability on his own. They will provide means that will be helpful for his family. His family development means that district will develop. That district will develop means the state will develop. That state will develop means this whole entire country will be developed. Thank you.
Power cut is main reason. First I will tell about the power cut. The power cut is main reason for all over the world. The new government will concentrate on the thing.
Okay, good evening everybody. I am Isaac Bhatt. Except that the speaker point and the civil point. Speaker is to focus on the job opportunity. Yes, really I will accept that one because nowadays the engineering student and any students are they are having less opportunities. The mainly for Indian government are focusing instead to provide the opportunity very helpful to us. And power cut. Power cut is the mainly reason for city side and village side are mostly very worst because they are given only 2 hours or 3 hours. That time in between time they are 2 hour power means they are out in more than 3 hours or something. Because in village side they are providing everything in groundnut and rice and everything because they are very affected in our country. So my expectation is mainly focus on job opportunity and power cut. helpful to our country to improve the economics.
Expectation is common to all, like to satisfy the needs, that is what you are doing, that is interpretation. But what people are thinking, as a citizen, I am what we think, you what you think, the thinking is different, who will implement it. Now we are all know that we need some change, so that only 50% of people are placing vote to Modi. Why? Because Congress they don't do anything. At least Modi they told some stories on for politics meetings. So the Modi what they told that is implemented means people will be happy. So now we are voting for one person. We don't know about that who are all standing on our area. We don't know. We are all don't know about that his or her background. We are just stressed about the party and then what he pronounced and then what he giving words on that meeting. That words only we are okay. We are they will come. That party comes on India means we are giving some good things. So we are all person having expectations. Somebody told that I will do means we are trying this. We are as a citizen, what we have to do? We just put a vote on the right person, right place means it will be helpful for our Indian government, right? Now we are all sitting here. Every person having some expectation. You are also having expectation, and while God itself having some expectation, right? So our family people having some expectation, and then our mother and father expecting something. They are expecting more from us, but we are giving. As of now, we are giving very less only. Likewise, now we are expecting more things from our government. Even now only they will take charge. Even they are done or not, we don't know. But we are, as of now, we are doing level best. Then he will done it means that is good for you. Otherwise, what you will do? You can do next party change for next election. That is the only things we are do as of now. 100% right now. Anybody will argue for this?
No, I argue this. You told the first point, job opportunity. It is not. I think it is not possible because every candidate not waiting for government job. So
I'm not told about government job. Imagine so many. Let's imagine. See Chennai itself we are seeing means OMR route to up to end we are seeing means the road itself very good and good street light. So in between so many software companies are there, full centralized AC like the AC buses are running. Let me see the backside. Not Chennai we are seeing means that place Tiruvattirur is there and then Rayapuram is there and then that is fully changed when compared to this is why because that place is not US based, any company is not there.
So you told foreign companies are
No. Likewise, I am told. They told them to we are collaborate with some other foreign companies and then told them to you can run your company here means even though you imagine one software company is there means software people only not working even though tester is working and then whether interior decorator will be working here and then carpenter will working here. Everybody having opportunity. If you are I building one home. Who will whether each and every person, even a maker also, even a small glass, small housekeeping person also, they got some job because of the building one home. If that place is empty, means nobody not getting any job. Now, likewise, they will allocating some job to as an Indian citizen to at least he lead his life. Nothing is better than something.
But so you told foreign companies are
told me to. Not foreign company, they will generate some company, otherwise they will link with some other
but
thing.
You say foreign companies.
I told one example. Because of that, see this place and this place, which place more cash will be there, the government will concentrate only on that place. That is not good, I am told. Even though same like of company we are opening on that means that place also benefited and that surrounding people also benefited. Likewise, if one state is developed means total Tamil Nadu is developed. Tamil Nadu development means India, Tamil Nadu is considered India only now. If Tamil Nadu development means Indian population will be developed. Even Tirupati is there. he got more things for via peoples. So based on Tirupati, Andhra will be famous. Na? Likewise, only I am told. They will building new companies and giving more opportunity to low-level people. Even though nowadays so many call centers are there in Chennai, basic qualification is just 10th, and then good speaking is enough. Without 10th knowledge also, if you know Tamil, means more Tamil call center is there for selling some product. They don't need any education qualification, but that company is open means at least 50 to 100% living in this world, whether going to next level. That type of job opportunity only I am asking. We don't expecting whether our home is there, 5% is there, 5% characters is not the same. Likewise, we
but
don't.
you say fully private companies, but we are talking about our Indian government. Government jobs, government provide only government jobs. Government not provide
I am not
private companies.
told about private company. I am just told that how we are improve our economy. Like that only I am told. The government will collaborate with the.
But you first say job opportunities.
Hey, job
you
opportunities.
say economics.
A job opportunity they will arrange means automatically economy will be increased.
No, job opportunity is not economics based, because economics means now lot of bikes, cars is there. That petrol daily how many liters using petrol? So petrol taxes cost will be decreased. This only use of economics. And then we have vegetables, economic vegetables, and some tax, government tax will provide some tax. The tax will be down, then only economics is, every people should be a good economic.
Okay, time over. Conclusion.
You only not speak what? Oh. Each and everything having some advantage and disadvantage is that we are all well known that. But we are, all our expectation is our India will be going to the next level. We are proud to tell me as a Indian. So we are all pray for God for our Indian country. That's it.